This video reviews the luxurious designs and decorations of modern homes that reflect elegance and good taste. The video begins with scenes of luxury villas that feature stunning architectural designs and unique eye-catching exterior facades. Then the video enters the interior and shows us the spacious and elegant halls, which are characterized by innovative interior designs and elaborate use of colors and lighting. The interior decoration is characterized by luxurious details and high-quality furniture, reflecting luxury and comfort at the same time. The video also includes outdoor spaces such as luxurious gardens and magnificent swimming pools, which are elegantly designed to provide an atmosphere of luxury and tranquility at home. The video provides viewers with tips and ideas on how to achieve some of these luxurious designs in their own homes in innovative and economical ways. In this video, you will enter an enchanting world of luxurious interior designs and high-end decorations. You will witness stunning architectural masterpieces and unique decor concepts, bringing luxury and beauty to every corner of the home. The house is luxurious that mimics modern works of art, where modern elegance meets traditional elegance. You will be amazed by the design of the ceiling, walls, and floors, which simulate a huge painting. Then the round will turn into geometric designs and distinctive designs. The wonderful color harmony between the modern decorations and lighting highlights the beauty of every corner. Luxurious commercial materials are used in the wholesale and retail trade. You will be amazed at the design and details of the bathrooms, which add a touch of fine art. The video is not complete without a tour of the luxurious outdoor gardens, where natural beauty blends with elaborate garden designs, astonishing recreation areas. The world of luxury designs and decorations reflects beauty and luxury in every detail. It is an amazing world of creative ideas and innovative designs that combine art, beauty, and functionality. The described video will take us on a magical tour highlighting many amazing ideas for decorating homes and creating a luxurious and